Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Krystal. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're in the kitchen and this is new for me, okay? This is a new little video, but this is my favorite smoothie. I make it all the time and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you wanted a really good smoothie recipe that does not have a crap ton of calories in it. A lot of smoothies will surprise you and are packed full of calories. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how I make my favorite smoothie. First off, one thing that is really handy in the kitchen is a scale. So if you're someone that is really bad at knowing what a portion size is, or a serving size, then I would definitely get a scale just so you can kind of learn. One thing I learned once I got my scale is that I was under eating protein tremendously. I thought I was eating all this protein. I was not. And I was overeating other things. So like, carbs and stuff. So, anywho, I'm going to show you my favorite smoothie recipe. Let's jump right in. All right. I started with my yogurt in here already. It looks a little suspect, but it's in here. And I love the Oikos vanilla bean. They have one that has 0 sugar in it, but it's sweetened with, I think maybe stevia. I cannot have artificial sweeteners. They make me sick. So I have to stick with one that actually has sugar in it. It does have 13 grams of sugar, but it is what it is. There's 16 grams of protein in a serving of this, so awesome source of protein. That's why I like to put it in my smoothie. So here we have one serving, which is 170 grams, only 120 calories, 16 grams protein. Makes your smoothie nice and creamy. Then I also have a serving of frozen fruit. I love the Good & Gather brand from Target. Their bags of frozen fruit are my favorite one is the mango strawberry blend. It has strawberries, mango chunks, and pineapple chunks. I like a tart smoothie, not a really sweet one. So I like the pineapple and the mango in there. Now you have to be careful because mango is a fruit that has far more calories than other ones, but it's good. It's good. So I did 1 cup, which is 140 grams. I did weigh it out. That's only 70 calories, so not bad. We're going to put that in the cup. Then I also like to add apple juice. My favorite is the Martinelli's Gold Medal. I've never really looked at this label. I just get this one because it's my favorite. Obviously, apple juice is going to have quite a bit of sugar in it. But, if you want a smoothie that day, cut back on sugar in other places. It is what it is. I don't like to put water or ice in my smoothies. That's why I like to use frozen fruit and a juice. I am using half of a serving. This is only 4 ounces of juice, which is 70 calories. A serving size is 8 ounces, but I halved that. We're going to pour the juice in, and that is all I put in my smoothie. You can add other things. You can put protein powder in there. I'm not going to do that. You can put protein powder in. You can add chia seeds. You can add flaxseed. You can add anything you want to this. This just tastes super tasty. So I'm going to pop this in the blender. I'm not going to make you listen to that, and I will be right back, and I will let you know the total calories in this smoothie and all of that, and we'll do a little taste test and try it for you guys, let you see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here's the smoothie. It perfectly fit in this jar, a good serving size, okay? 260 calories. That is it. 260 calories for this. That is all. I promise you, you will not regret it. 16 grams of protein, so if you need a little protein in your day, this is great. Let me know if you try it. I love you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, and I will check you guys